and, family comes first. And so I want her to share, because you guys, when she discovered this, and matter of fact, this is the power of global business. I'm a gal in Kansas and she's in South Africa, and she discovered one of my pieces of content on social media. She was very busy when she discovered this. Because of the automations, it's what's helped her set herself for free. So Cecilia, do you have a time to share real quick before you have to leave?
I do. And I'm so excited because this is the second time around this month, not this year, this month, that I'm taking my daughter out to go and see a concert. And that coming from a background 19 and a half months ago, where I didn't even have time to go and have a milkshake with her. I still get goosebumps when I think about this. Michelle, you know what? When I discovered this back in May, I never realized the power of what is in the e-learning industry, especially with digital marketing, because the little side hustles that I tried was all in the MLM industry, meaning that I put in a lot of work. And there was a lot of times that I felt like, I felt like an imposter because I was constantly in people's DMs. I was constantly busy trying to convince people to buy from me. And if you just take with the skills that I've learned inside this program and the pre-built automations that we get from this program, literally pre-built and given to us, for me as a non-techie mom, that was the biggest bonus of all. But I mean, those automations literally gave me my life back. It gave me my time back, and it gave me my family back. Because I'm coming from struggling to spend time with my daughter. I'm coming from struggling to just barely survive, paying school fees and things like that. And this is the second year around that I could pay school fees in advance for a whole year. And it's the most amazing feeling. I mean, Christmas has just passed. We've been out having a lot of fun, and I used to this time start worrying about debt collectors now phoning me for their money that I used to buy Christmas gifts with. I'm literally sitting on $4,300 that I can pay out and go into the new year with. And this is scaringly good. I mean, for me as a South African, that's a very high five-figure that's coming in after groceries is already bought, rent is already paid, school fees for the year is already paid. So this is literally money that I can use to spoil my children and my family with for the rest of this year, which is absolutely amazing. And I mean, when I got started with this, I knew nothing about this industry. I had to go and check out what digital marketing really was. I had to go and check out what the e-learning industry was. I mean, this is literally the only industry where you will be able to earn 100% profits on your efforts. Mm-hmm. What you put in, you make 100% on, and there's nothing else out there like this. And I just love the projection that Forbes has got on this. And I'm still thinking about, you know what? When I got started with this, I was so overwhelmed. I was so overworked, and I couldn't even say yes to a sweetie in the front of the counter if my child asked for that. Now life is completely different because I took a chance, and especially on this. And I love how I had a community backup that literally helped me grow into success with this. This is the most amazing thing that you are coming across. And I can promise you, getting started with this, you are going to thank yourself. Hitting 2025, you will thank yourself, because everything inside this program is meant not only to build a business for you, not only to build a solid income for you, but even to build you as a human. Just the mindset in this is worth way more than you pay for any of these blueprints. This is me. So I just want to thank you. I still can't believe it. I'm exiting 2024 with close to 3.7 million in my currency. I've never seen money like this. And I mean, in 19 months, I've had 2 businesses in my life before this with 1 million side hustles. And I've never even come close to what I get with this, working 2 hours a day. 2 hours a day? No, this is insane. This is insane.
Boy, that just gave me goosebumps. Woo, I love it. Congratulations. And have fun with your daughter. That's why we do what we do. Able to make this type of income, passive income, without the grind. So thank you so much, my friend, for sharing. And Happy New Year.
Oh, same to you. Same to you.